Okay guys, what we're supposed to do here is to take this parabola and actually write the equation just by looking at the graph of the parabola. Okay, so how the heck are we going to do that? Well, you have to use the vertex form, f of x equals a parentheses x minus h squared plus k, and it would be super easy if this parabola, we could already see the vertex here, it's clear, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 0, negative 6, so 0 would go here, negative 6 would go out here. But the a value, I mean, we're used to the a value of 1 if the pattern's 1, 1, 2, 4, but obviously this does not have the pattern 1, 1. As you can see, it goes 2 over 1 up. So what we need to do is find this a value, okay? Now, if we had this blue one up here, this one's super easy to figure out, because what is the vertex? The vertex right there is negative 2, positive 1. Oh, why did I do that? Let me do that one more time. Negative 2, comma, positive 1. That's the vertex. And if you look at the pattern, this one for sure has 1, 1, 2, 4. And you don't even need the 3, 9. You already know it's the pattern. So the a value would be 1. So just by knowing that the vertex is negative 2 and 1, then you could put the negative 2 right here, which would be positive 2. And you take that 1 and put it out here. And your a value, since it's 1, 1, 2, 4, is 1. So you would say that this parabola has the equation f of x equals 1, parentheses x plus 2 plus 1. The plus 2 came from here, plus 1 came from out here. So this would be really easy to just write the equation of, oh, did I say the a value is 1? That would be incorrect. The a value would have to be negative 1 because it is opening down. But nevertheless, it still does have the pattern of 1. But we need to put a negative in front of the 1 because it's opening down. Anyways, this is not even what we're asking on the homework. What are they asking on the homework? They're asking us to find the equation of this one. And this one doesn't even have the a value of 1. So what we're going to do is take this, because it's blank, right? I left the a value out. And I want to put the h and k value, and we said that the h and k value here was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so it's 0, 6, 0, negative 6 that is, so 0 on the x and negative 6 on the y. And the question is, what is the a value, okay? We do not know the a value. It's not easy like the other one. So what we need to do is solve for a. Now, how am I going to solve for a? Well, here's the variable a, and in order to solve any variable, you need to have the rest of the terms to actually be numbers so you could isolate the variable by itself. So I need a number for x, and this is y, so I need a number for y. Where am I going to get those numbers? Well, an x and a y value come from the coordinates of the parabola. So they actually specifically point out at one right here. And what is that coordinate? It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3. So they're giving us the coordinates 6, 3. And what we're going to do is plug in the x value of 6 and the y value of 3 into the equation. And we get right there. So now that we have all numbers and the variable a, now we could work with math and get that a value by solving for a. So 6 minus 0 is 6. We're going to square it. That's going to become 36. That is inside the parentheses. I still have a out here on the front. I still have the minus 6 at the very end. I still have the equal sign and also the 3. So what am I going to do next? I'm going to get rid of the minus 6 by going plus 6 to both sides of the equation. Plus 6 here. That's going to be a 9 equals a times 36 is 36a. And of course we want a. We don't want 36a. So we're going to divide by 36. And it's going to cancel and divide by 36. Now, I know you're freaking out. 9 over 36, I don't like fractions. It's okay. Just reduce it. And 9 over 36 reduces down to 1/4. And that's your a value, guys. So what are we going to do here? We're going to take the a value of 1/4. We're going to plug it in right there. We're going to take the h value, which we already know is 0, and the k value, which we already know is negative 6 because of the vertex 0, negative 6. And so now that we have all the values we need, we could actually write our answer, which is y equals 1/4 x minus 0 to the second power minus 6. Now the thing is, you don't really need the parentheses around the x minus 0. So if there is no h, you could rewrite it as your final answer, y equals 1/4 x squared minus 6. That would be your best answer or best equation that would describe this wider than normal parabola above.